Hi everyone, today I've got a fun video and lots of goodies out here, and this video will have plenty of mod shots for some styling inspiration as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you 7 simple steps to elevate your style this winter season. This is coming out of my frustration with how I've been dressing. So because it's so cold here in New York City, I have been just throwing on whatever is the warmest thing in my closet and then putting over my long, big, puffy coat. And then I step outside and yes, I'm toasty, but I don't feel very put together. In fact, I've started to feel a bit frumpy. So tip number 1 is to layer. Obviously, layering is practical in the winter because it'll keep us warm and toasty, but it also creates more visual interest. So here's an example. A pair of jeans, whatever kind of cut of jeans that you like, a simple crew neck top. This happens to be a navy cashmere knit top from Theory. And then you can have something like a collared cardigan right on top. So it's the same colorway, but now you've got 2 different layers. If you want to go more casual and slightly baggy, then you can take an oversized button down. And now you've got a denim on denim look, kind of like a cool girl vibe, but not trying too hard, but you're still warm because you've got that cashmere sweater underneath, right? You can of course continue to layer with accessories, including jewelry. Speaking of jewelry, I want to thank Gingerberry for sponsoring this video. Some of you may know I have been collecting Gingerberry pearls for the last few months, and this is one of their necklaces that was sent to me recently. This is made of all Baroque pearls. Pearls in particular really do elevate a look. For most of us, when we think of pearls, we think of elegance, we think of polish, feeling refined. You can wear long or double up. Very simple. It's got a little toggle. This right here is a brooch that I picked up from Gingerberry. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's set in sterling silver. It's so sparkly. Look at that pearl. Gorgeous, gorgeous. It has so much luster. So what you can do is you can wear a very simple outfit and just add this brooch. It makes it feel more dressy, more formal. If you're going from day to night, you can just add this to your outfit for the evening and it just pops, doesn't it? Gingerberry also offers jewelry that is not made with pearls. For example, this one here, it's all 18K solid gold, natural diamonds. This is the initial necklace with the initial H for my name. I actually wore this in a recent video and a few of you commented. So yes, this necklace is from Gingerberry. I think it's absolutely adorable. It's really nice. If you're wearing a necklace like this is where the eyes will land, right? Not too ornate, not overly done, but you can add it to any outfit. Here I want to show you a few new pairs of earrings that Gingerberry sent to me. This right here looks so cool. Look at this. It's got this curved detail with the pearl right on top. More playful, more youthful. Here's another one. So pretty. I have to say, after wearing Gingerberry pearls for a while now, I do attest to their quality. I've not had any issues, no tarnishing. This is one of their rings that I featured a while back. And as you can see, this one is set in sterling silver as well, and it's holding up great. It's also just really interesting looking, right? But look at that right there. You've got the gold bar going in the middle with the diamonds and then the 2 dainty little pearls on the side. Kind of reminds me of like a percentage symbol. It's just interesting, very unique. And the last piece here is more classic, but it's got fairly large pearls, and then you can see that gold bar going across. So again, has a little bit of a twist, making it classic, but also more interesting and different. So I am really enjoying adding all these pearls to my jewelry collection. I feel more grown up when I wear pearls. I also just feel much more polished, and that's what I'm trying to go for in this video, where you can be warm and comfortable but still feel put together. The other really easy tip is to just mix textures. So you've got like this patterned waffle knit texture, then you've got this tweed texture, and so whatever textures you can find, denim, silk, you just mix and match and experiment with the looks and see what comes together, what looks cohesive. Also, when you're layering and mixing textures, don't forget about your handbags. I think all of us here know that handbags are important to the final look. This right here was gifted to me by Oleada. This was sent to me recently. It's one of their new release bags, and it's in the gorgeous burgundy suede. They also offer it in a beautiful chocolate brown suede. So I was kind of having a hard time deciding between the two, but look at this. This one matches my burgundy nail polish perfectly, and with Valentine's Day coming up, I just felt like this color is so appropriate. And every single time we enter the fall winter season, burgundy is in. Every year burgundy is in. Also suede, of course, very fall winter. This right here also has a strap with it, so you can wear it on your shoulder or crossbody, so it's really versatile. And the strap is so pretty. It's going to be really comfortable because it's that thick band and it's going to sit nicely on the shoulder. It's completely adjustable. It's got the nice little clasps here so it'll be secure. So let me put this on for you. So this is what it looks like with the strap on, right? So cool. And then you've got the long top handles, so really generous. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. So very roomy, beautiful, soft. You've got a very roomy zipper here for items that you want to keep secure, like passports. On the other side, you've got one slip pocket here, a small one here for lip balm or a pen, and then another one here. So a lot of different compartments, and the cool thing is there's also a compartment back here. So here is the brand Oleata. I have featured them in the past and they've sent me several bags. They make a lot of cool workwear bags and travel bags. And I would say this is the front of the bag and this is the back where it says Oleata. And why? Because this right here is not just for decorative purposes. This is the luggage sleeves. So if you travel with your bag or if you do a lot of business travel and you want a polished looking handbag, but you also want to be comfortable and hands-free in the airport, you just plop this onto your rolling suitcase and the handles go right in here, so it's really secure and you don't have to worry about it flopping around. Next, super easy tip is to go monochromatic, like tonal outfits, all similar colorways. I've got this v-neck sweater from Aqua. I've had it for a while. Very simple kind of oatmeal heather color. And then I've got these pants from Goelia, very, very comfortable. They're kind of like knit sweatpants, but they don't look like sweatpants. They look much more refined. So I would pair something like this together, and then I would probably wear a bag like this, which also happens to be from Oleata. You guys know this is my mini anchor bag. So very, very easy. I'm sure many of you have a lot of clothes in your closet where you can create a monochromatic look. Next, I've got my scarves sitting out here, or shawls. You probably have at least one or two different scarves with different colors and patterns, and I would say do not forget about your scarves. Yes, they're functional. They are meant to, catch the draft and keep your neck warm and all of that, but they're also decorative, right? So throw on a scarf, drape it over your shoulders, wear it whatever way. You can knot it, you can scrunch it, but wear a scarf when you're in doubt and you feel like your outfit is not complete, because I'm telling you, as boring as your outfit might be or as simple as your outfit may be, if you throw on a scarf, then it definitely creates much more visual interest. Next, do not forget about the belts. If you have a belt or two and they have different styles or colors, mix and match, see what works. So I've got my Celine belt here, which has more of a glossy leather, so I feel like it looks a little bit dressy when I throw this over like a long cardigan or a dress. Very, very nice, even with jeans. Then I've got this belt from Isabel Marant. So this is just really, really simple and it goes on in a very interesting way. It kind of looks like a knot, so you just have to play with it a bit. You could put it through like this. And especially when you're doing a tonal or monochromatic look, adding a belt can really help to create more of a cinched waist, more dimension, and better balance proportionally. So definitely take a look at the belts that you own. And of course, these two you're probably familiar with if you've been on my channel before. These are my Kelly belts from Hermes. This is in the gold color. That's what it looks like here. And this is the black one. Same exact belt because I love it so much. These are universal sizing, so you can pull this or push it to adjust the sizing, which is really nice, very convenient. Last but not least, do not forget about a good pair of boots. I've been wearing these pretty much nonstop ever since I got them from W Concept. This is from a Korean brand called Sapun, and these are actually faux leather. They're really soft and water resistant, so no matter how much it rains or snow, I don't have to worry. The heel is a nice height, not too high, and the bottom is dirty because I've been wearing these a lot, but there's no slip. So knee-high boots for sure. Not only will they keep your legs warm during the cold winter months, but they will definitely create more of a polished look. I now have a big mess in front of me where I need to clean up, but I wanted to say thank you to Gingerberry again for sponsoring this video. Take another look at the quality of their jewelry, absolutely beautiful. I will link everything down below along with promo codes. I'll also be sure to link the information on the new Oleata bag here, both in burgundy and chocolate brown. And when you are thinking about styling yourself this winter, remember that layering and mixing is all about accessories, right? So don't forget about your handbags, don't forget about your jewelry, your shoes, your belts, your scarves. Think about everything that you have in your wardrobe and see how they can complement one another. And like I said before, create more visual interest and stay warm and toasty this winter. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.